Hi! In this video we will lead you through the step-by-step process to starting a WordPress blog through the WordPress website. After watching this video, you will know how to begin blogging through WordPress with the paid or free versions of the service. Here are the 5 steps to getting started. 1. Start by going to www.wordpress.com. 2. On the main screen, you want to press the Get Started button. 3. Now that you're at the Get Started page, you can proceed to enter your information. 4. Upon reaching the next screen, you will be led through a few initial steps to set up the website. The 4th step is the one where you will be given the option to continue with the free version or upgrade to a paid version. The benefits of each option are listed and suit different scenarios. The free version will give you a basic subdomain like yourdomain.wordpress.com, whereas any of the paid versions will give you a custom www.yourdomain.com domain name. Once these steps are complete, WordPress will lead you through a tutorial on how to control your site. Congratulations! You've set up the basic WordPress account and website. In the next video, we will explore the steps involved in starting a hosted WordPress website.